Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Threads app language. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click on the two horizontal lines on the top right corner. Here you can see the language option. Click on it. And here you can select the language of your choice. I'm gonna select British version of English. And that is how you can change Threads app language. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.